When we got to the coast in Maine, it was this amazing realization that we did it. We crossed the whole country. We've learned so much about what we're capable of as a family.
To cross the country with their sense of wonder is so precious.
From day one, we had to learn to embrace the unexpected. The coast in Oregon, and our plans are to play on the beach the whole day. And the door opens, and Selah explodes out of there and starts sprinting up the sand dunes. We spent the next 3 or 4 hours just playing in the sand, and we never touched foot in the ocean. This has been an incredible journey.
One of the most rewarding parts of this trip has been to watch their imaginations expand, just being out in nature.
I think any big experience brings people together, and more than anything, we want to give our kids adventure. It's easy to put ourselves in situations where we teach our kids only what we know instead of learning with them. There are things that the kids are going to remember: the mountains, the desert towers, the canyons, but then there's the things that we'll have to remind them of. Zion being taught to handle the ropes by Jimmy Chin, one of the world's greatest climbers. Or Selah learning how to handle a lobster right out of the Atlantic.
I want them to remember that we all saw the ocean together. We all hiked up to that lake, held butterflies, went rock climbing.
And then we had kids, and everyone said, travel's over, adventure's over. It couldn't have been farther from the truth. This is a deeper, fuller, bigger adventure than I've ever been on. If you want to see more of our cross-country adventure, click the box below. And while you're at it, subscribe to Ford today.